Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. Tonight I'm going to do another Dutch pour. This is actually a gift for my mother-in-law's birthday. This is her color scheme, the ones that she had picked. You might see somebody else's hands in the video. That's actually my wife. She's kind of instructing me on what to do since it is for her mom. But we'll see if I can get through this tonight. The colors that I'm using, I'll list them in the description of the video. They are mixed 2-to-1 ratio still, Floetrol to paint. The white base is also 2-to-1 ratio. But I did add a little bit of water to some of the colors just because sometimes some paints have thicker pigments even though they're mixed the same. But at this point, my wife asked if she could take over, so I'll let her drive. And she's a little bit more, I don't know, she wants stuff to be precise, so we'll see how she does, at least pouring the paint out. I mean, I remember watching her do this, and I'm just like, oh, it's just way too much paint. But I didn't say anything, just let her do her thing, you know? We will eventually get to the blow dryer here in just a second. And anyway, if any of y'all do have any recommendations or want me to try something, just let me know. I don't mind trying it. I've been currently working on Shelly art technique, so that one, I'm really enjoying that. It's a little bit easier once you get the Australian Floetrol, but I must admit, I'm not used to holding a blow dryer or actually dealing with one since I never used one. So it can be a little bit tricky at first, I guess. I'm not used to it, but hey, I'll get used to it eventually, I guess. So yeah, we'll eventually get past all this, and I'm trying to ask what she wants to do right here in the corner, if she wants to blow it out to the corner or not. Some people like having negative space at the corners, some don't, but it is what it is. I normally just use a blow dryer to just spread the paint out just a little bit before I just finish it out, you know, with either a straw or just do it myself. You have more control over that when you do it that way. So my favorite part's coming up. It actually happened twice in this video, but anyway, I did have a good chuckle because I mean I've got my shirt in the paint too, but here it is when she realizes it.
Oh man.
Well, we've all been there, right? Either putting our finger in it to see if it was still dry yet or not, and then messing your painting up. I've done it before. My daughter points it out every time. You ruined my painting. But here's a closer look at the painting. I enjoy the cells that the 24 karat gold made. If anybody has any feedback, I'd appreciate it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and everybody have a good night.